Most people are about to get left behind. They'll keep scrolling, keep grinding, keep doing things the hard way, while a new wave of creators, thinkers, and builders quietly move faster, learn better, and produce more with less effort. The difference isn't talent, it's leverage. And right now, the greatest source of leverage is artificial intelligence. Used properly, it's not just a tool, it's a superpower. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to multiply your productivity, accelerate your learning, enhance your creative output, and take back control of your time and energy starting today. I'm Yassine, I'm a startup founder, and the ideas I'm about to show you have helped me reclaim hundreds of hours, think clearer, move faster, and stay ahead of the crowd. You see, every major leap in human progress came from one simple thing: extending our natural capabilities. When we learned to ride horses, we traveled farther with less effort. Cars and planes shrank the world. Computers gave us infinite memory. The internet connected our minds. Smartphones put everything in our pockets. And now it's AI. But this time the shift is deeper, because AI doesn't just add to what you can do, it transforms how you do it. You're no longer defined by a job title or a single skill. The question is no longer how to do something, because AI can do it for you. Your job is to decide what to build and why it matters. So here's how to use AI to move faster, think smarter, and create at a completely new level. First is to educate yourself smarter. AI gives you direct access to the sum of human knowledge, and that alone changes everything. Education used to be passive. You read a book, watch the course, listen to a lecture. You'd sit through hours of information before getting the chance to ask one or two questions. And that's not how the brain works. We don't learn best by memorizing facts. We learn through interactions, feedback, and trial and error. That's how toddlers learn to talk and read. But traditional education couldn't scale that model. One professor for 100 of students made deep and active learning too expensive. Now with AI, the dynamic is changing. You get your own professor, one that never sleeps and never runs out of answers. You can learn in real time through questions, conversation, and iteration. Even better, you're not limited to learning during a fixed phase of your life. The old system treated people like products on an assembly line. Universities as factories, humans built for a specific function, sold to companies, and retired when obsolete. So that model is for sure fading. With AI, you can become a lifelong learner. You can serve more than one function. You can create value independently. You don't work for an enterprise. You can become an enterprise, or you create it from scratch. You're no longer a cog in a machine. You become the machine, or you learn to build one altogether. And second is to learn to think better with AI as your second brain. When I'm stuck on a problem, I open a voice assistant and I talk it through. I ask for summaries, I ask for better ways to frame the problem, and I ask it to challenge me. And it works. AI isn't just a search engine, it's a thinking partner. You can ask it to apply frameworks like critical thinking or systems thinking. You can have it act like an author, a strategist, or a founder you admire, and it will coach you using their philosophy. You're not just consuming ideas anymore, you're interacting with them, and that changes how deeply you understand and apply them. Clarity is a superpower, and AI can help you with that. And so the third is to learn how to enhance your core skills. AI isn't a replacement of your creativity, or at least it's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be an amplifier. So most people use it wrong. They ask it to do things for them, to write posts for them, to create designs for them, and they end up with something completely generic or forgettable. They completely discard what they know how to do best and what makes them unique. The best result comes when you bring something to the table. Your thoughts, your voice, your unique insights, and you use AI to refine, improve, and scale it. Write the rough draft yourself, then prompt AI to sharpen it. Design the outline, then have AI polish the visuals. Code the MVP, then use AI to optimize and debug. The tools are powerful, but they're only as good as the person using them. This is the moment to level up your real skills: writing, building, thinking, and then learn how to combine them using AI. That's how you stand out in a world where everyone is constantly tempted to take shortcuts. And so the fourth is to automate what doesn't need you. You see, your time is your most valuable resource. So stop wasting it on things that don't need your mind. AI tools and automations can now handle scheduling, admin, content repurposing, and lead scraping, and even full workflows without human intervention. The goal is not to work harder, it's to deliver more value in less time. So no one cares about how hard you work. They care about how much value you deliver. This is what you get paid for. So refusing to use AI in 2025 is like running a business entirely with pen and paper, mailing letters instead of sending emails, or printing flyers instead of building a landing page. There is no badge of honor in doing it the hard way. So use automation tools, learn how to delegate tasks to AI agents, build momentum now, so when these tools will get better, you'll be already ahead. And the fifth is to train AI to become you so you can scale yourself. So generic AI is helpful, but personalized AI is even better. The more personal data you feed it, your writing, your voice, your images, your ideas, the more accurate and powerful it becomes. So writers can train it with their own tone. Designers can generate assets without starting from scratch. And creators can clone their voice to produce high quality content without recording a world. For example, Arnold Schwarzenegger launched a podcast called Pump Club that is entirely generated by AI. He trained the model using existing content, and now he can create AI just by a click of a button. That's the level we're moving towards. So start building your dataset now. Write, record, save, give the AI examples of what you sounds like and what you care about and what you produce. And even if you never plan to be a public figure, it will still matter. Because when AI knows you, your learning style, your blind spots, and your goals, it will become the ultimate coach, the strategist, the assistant that can help you in everything in your life. The future of personalization starts with the data you collect about yourself. Wearables already track your health, for example. Soon they'll predict patterns and prevent problems before they even show up. So you don't need to wait. The tools already exist. So start using them. AI isn't optional anymore. Countries are racing to gather data, corporations are training models with as much resources as they can, and competitors are already using it. So if you want to stay relevant, if you want to stay ahead of the curve, you have to start to learn how to learn with AI, how to think with AI, how to build with AI, how to automate with AI, and how to amplify with AI. Thanks for watching. I'm Yassine. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.